Are you trying to decide between Empower and Fidelity? You're not alone. Many people wonder which is better for managing their investments. In this video, we will compare Empower and Fidelity to help you make the right choice for your financial needs. Both platforms aim to help you manage your money and grow your investments, but they do it in different ways. Empower focuses on providing personalized financial advice and tools. It offers budgeting features and investment tracking. You can see all your accounts in one place, making it easier to manage your finances. On the other hand, Fidelity is a well known brokerage. It offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Fidelity also provides research tools and educational resources to help you make informed decisions. Now, let's look at the key differences. Empower is more about financial planning and budgeting. Fidelity is geared towards investing and trading. If you want advice on your overall financial picture, Empower might be the better choice. If you're looking to dive into investing, Fidelity could be the way to go. When it comes to features, Empower has strong budgeting tools and a user friendly app. Fidelity excels in investment options and research tools. Both have mobile apps, but Fidelity's is more focused on trading. In terms of pricing, Empower usually has a subscription model, while Fidelity offers commission free trading on many investments. This makes Fidelity a cost effective option for active investors. So, who should choose what? If you need help with budgeting and financial planning, go with Empower. If you want to invest and trade, Fidelity is likely a better fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.